Flying cars failed for 50 years. One missing piece: AI flight control. The dream of personal flight has always crashed against one stubborn reality. Humans simply can't balance the complex forces needed for stable anti-gravity propulsion. Until now. Introducing AiNetStudio, the breakthrough. AI software that creates neural networks specifically designed to control anti-gravity engines. Our system processes thousands of flight variables per second, making micro-adjustments that keep manned drones perfectly stable. AiNetStudio doesn't just improve flight control, it completely revolutionizes personal aviation. The technology that sci-fi promised is finally here, powered by neural networks that learn and adapt. The future isn't just flying cars, it's AI that makes them safe, stable, and finally possible.